Hello investors. Today in this video, let's see how you can start your investment journey with Investmentz by investing in iBasket. First of all, you just need to visit to our website, that is investmentz.com website. Once you visit the website, you just need to click on login. As soon as you get this pop-up, if you are visiting the website first time, you just need to allow this pop-up. Then you need to log in with your login credentials, that is your login ID and password. Now you also need to enter the PIN which you must have created while opening an account. As soon as you log in, the product dashboard will display. Here you need to click on iBasket. Once you click on the same, you'll get this pop-up. Only if you haven't given your consent for investing in the iBasket before. You just need to click on this checkbox and enter the OTP which you must have received on your registered mobile number and just click on submit button. After giving your consent, you can view all the basket available to you. You just need to select any basket as per your investment profile, your risk appetite and your investment choice. For example, you are selecting this basket. You just need to click on invest now. As soon as you click on this basket, you'll get the details of the basket. You can also see sector-wise weightage. For example, this particular basket is investing in finance sector, healthcare sector, IT sector and so on. Once you scroll down, you can see the detailed description of the basket. It is very much important to know the basket before investing. After understanding the basket to invest, you just need to click on invest now. Here you need to give your investment details like your investment type you want to invest in. For example, you want to invest via SIP. So you just need to click on SIP here. After that, you need to enter the quantity of the basket you want to buy. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 as per your choice. For example, you need to buy a 2 quantity. After that, it will automatically calculate the approx value of investments. And if you want to generate the order today itself, you just need to click on this checkbox. Then you need to give the SIP start date when you want to start your SIP. For example, I want to start from 24. Then you need to select your investment frequency. That means you want to invest every month, every 15 days, once in 2 months or once in 3 months. For example, you are investing every month. At the end, you need to select number of installments. It means how many installments you will make. 12 installment, 24, 36 and so on. Let's take an example. You'll make the 60 installments. After entering installments, it will automatically calculate the SIP end date. After entering all the details, you just need to verify your details before investing. Similarly, if you want to invest via lump sum and not SIP, you just need to click on lump sum here. Here also, you need to enter the quantity of the basket. Let's take an example 2. Similarly, it will automatically calculate the approx value of investments, whether in SIP option or lump sum option. After entering all your investment details and verifying it, you just need to click on invest now. As soon as you click on the same, the order will automatically come to your cart. Now you just need to click on confirm order and it will automatically debit the amount from your wallet. If you don't have enough balance in a ledger, that is your wallet, you can simply add it by clicking on add. Once you click on the same, it will automatically take your bank details. Here you just need to enter the amount you want to add. Then just click on submit and give your UPI ID. Then amount will be automatically added to your ledger and you can simply invest in iBasket. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for listening out to me. Invest today with these hassle-free steps.